Hi guys, it's Lindsay, the Mochi Pimple Pop. My daughter Lily, and we're gonna do a science experiment today with a crystal tree. We're gonna make a colorful crystal tree. We start out by taking the tree, and we're gonna take our markers and color this tree whatever color that we would like it to be. Why don't we make it rainbow and do a little bit of each all the way down? Okay. Total time for this is 8 hours. So that's one. We got one here as well. Now we're gonna do the backs. So we have our 2 pieces of trees. You color them any way you want, front and back. And then we are going to separate the tips and spread out the branches. Each of these has a little slit that you will separate. Okay, then we stick them together like that, like so. Okay, now it's time to pour the crystal powder over the tree, and then over the next 8 hours it's going to grow. Within 30 minutes we're supposed to have some crystals, and it's going to keep growing. It says to pour it over the top of the tree and then pour the remaining bit into the base. This is kind of hard, Tim. It says to get it on the top of the tree so the crystals will grow. And there's crystals in the little baggie. See these crystals at the bottom? Help me get it on there good. On the tree, and then you put the remainder in the base. But I want the tree coated as good as possible. And guys, you'll have to ignore my nails. I'm letting the acrylic grow off, so that's what it look like that. Just in case I get comments. I always get comments about my fingernails. Alrighty. But we gotta get these on the tree. It says if one falls off to pick it back up and put it on the tree. And you could add water as well and make more crystals grow. Alright, so there's a big crystal there on the top. You guys can see there's crystals in the tray. And I'm going to record this every 30 minutes so you guys can see this grow. Oh my gosh, 30 minutes later, it's got little crystals growing all over it. I'm glad we did this multicolor, Lily. It's looking so good.
Can't wait to see what it looks like in the morning.
Let's zoom in and show you guys all the little crystals that have grown. This is so cool. There's even more crystals on it, so we're back to look at the tree again. There's more crystals. Oh my gosh, there's one growing down here. We need to put that on the tree. So I don't really know what I'm doing, but oh gosh, it says they're very delicate and not to touch them. I don't want to mess with it. I'm loving this. So let me give you guys a 360 shot of it. Okay. This is still growing. This time-lapse thing is so cool. This is just such a neat little project. So, checking back on the crystal tree. We're gonna take it inside now. But look at the difference. It is so pretty. And now the bottom is completely dry. So I know you guys have seen those little cloudy trees, crystal trees you can buy on TikTok. So this is kind of an example of what that does. I think it's super cool. Okay, so even though Tim hit that little spot with water, it actually grew back. We added a little bit of water to the bottom of the tray like it said to do down there. We just added a little bit of water and it grew back. All right, now it's a bunch of hours later and actually 20 in the morning. I forgot to check it again last night. That's it. All the little crystals on there, and it looks like they're dry now. So I'm gonna touch the part up in the bottom that fell. It's still soft, so yeah.